You want to have a drink that's got a lot of ingredients? Of course you do.
I do.
Do you?
Especially because it looks like bananas.
I know. No, it doesn't. It's not going to taste like bananas.
Look.
It might be bananas, but it's not going to taste like bananas.
Visual.
Ready.
Welcome to Cognac Cocktails. Dan and Derek going to make a drink from this book.
Boom.
Based on the fact that we are out of drinks and we still wanted to make some stuff.
Are you thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
Yes.
And
there was a cool looking picture.
Here's the thing. Dan hasn't done a yelly intro yet, so I know he hasn't had enough to drink.
True.
So we're working because he came late, so we're gonna.
Yeah.
And if we make more videos, it's just more stuff I can do, and I can have an entire July done. So the recipe is gonna be the Bali Bali. Haven't made this since 2014.
All right, give it to me.
All right, we're gonna start with. You want me to just I'll start with ingredients and you keep going and I'll repeat them again.
Okay, please give me something.
All right, an ounce of fresh lime juice and a fresh orange juice.
Shit, where's the lime juice?
I don't know, you got everything going and that was all.
Oh, I thought that was on your side.
Oh my god. Start. Oh my god, we're already lost.
By the way, Ian is now directing this one too.
You can't leave him alone, Ian.
I don't know, it's fun.
Did that just stop?
This is not my job. An ounce of orange juice, right?
Probably done.
An ounce? Yep, an ounce of orange. Everything's an ounce.
Oh, hit it again.
So an ounce of orange juice, ounce of lime juice, ounce of pineapple juice, ounce of dark Jamaican rum, ounce of light Virgin Island rum, ounce of gin, ounce of cognac, half ounce of simple syrup, half ounce of Falernum, half ounce of passion fruit syrup.
All right.
Simple.
Hold on.
You're not new.
So simple.
So simple. I'm just gonna keep going ounces till you tell me no.
Well, I don't know if you're doing it in the right order, so I'll move the. No, simple syrup is going to be a half ounce. This is going to be a half ounce. Falernum is a half ounce. And that's it. So all the rest of
the
these
light
are
rum's
an
an ounce?
Oh, yeah, of course. You're going to be able to have... we don't have Virgin Island light rum right now. That would be Cruisin. Would be the biggest brand, I think. Have been having a hard time getting Cruisin. So I just went with the closest was Havana Club, Puerto Rican. It's kind of... I've had a lot of Cruisin. I've had a lot of Bacardi and Havana Club from Bacardi. This is not the Cuban version. And they have a very similar taste. Maybe a little less sweetness, but whatever. You're not going to taste it here. Then
There's
gin.
a lot of stuff in here.
So you want
There's an ounce of...
Yes? There's an ounce of cognac. There's an ounce of all of the things that make life great. You broke it? How did you break it?
I didn't break it. Somebody fucking ate that.
Oh, it might not have already been on there.
I think Ian broke it last time he was up there.
I know.
Look at that shit.
It does look like
I
something.
think Ian did that. Just saying.
I got this from my dojo instructor.
I'm just throwing Ian into the bus.
Half ounce.
I'm just
I was
saying.
really hungry. And
Half ounce.
I'm just saying that I think I saw Ian do it.
Could be. A Long Island iced tea is Ben Vodka Boy Loud.
These are all half ounce?
They are.
One of the meals that we get.
Why do I have a paper towel? Where did that come from? Or a napkin?
I don't know. I do have a napkin.
I don't know.
Because you're making a bookmark.
Oh, that's my bookmark? I ruined it.
Yeah, you just fucked it all up.
Fuck. Alright, well, it's going back in here. It's supposed to be on my zombie
This
page.
is going to have an interesting taste. You made this before?
Yeah, Ian made this in 2014. That was a long time ago, right?
Alright, I think I got all the shit in there.
That was like 8 years ago.
What is this?
Here,
2022.
fill that glass with this ice.
I can do that. What glass? So we haven't made this for a while. And I don't know what we said about it. Ah!
We're going to find out. Don't spill it all over the place.
You don't have to say the same thing.
Say something new? I can do that. This is the fun of being able to just crack open a recipe book and luckily have every ingredient on the planet to be able to create insane stuff like this.
That's right.
Boom. Absolutely perfect.
Boom.
So, crushed ice, strain it into a nice glass. It's going to be tasty. You're going to need that crushed ice because you're going to want to dilute down some of the spirit of this drink because it's insanity. Oh, looks like we used Jamaican rum. We used Jamaica from Plantation. I highly suggest you try some of that.
We like plantation rum.
Yeah,
Someone just said, "What's our favorite brand of rum?"
if not Smith and Cross, if you're looking for another great funky Jamaican
There's still a lot of drink in here.
Maison.
If
Oh,
you
really?
get it.
Yeah,
Look at the crushed ice.
I know.
It's gonna soak in there.
There we go.
The Bully Boy's pretty good. Too.
Bully Boy, I put that up right here. The Rum Cooperative.
Yeah, the Rum
You can get some Bully
Cooperative.
Boy. This is from Boston, I think, or Massachusetts of someplace. This one has Panama, Dominican, Boston,
Oh,
Trinidad.
if we got some
and
mint
Jamaica.
right now.
I'm done.
I would get you mint, but I have a bad feeling you would die because I've been trying to kill it, so it probably has pesticides on it.
Nice.
Is that on the screen?
It is.
Yo,
Look
G!
at that.
All right,
It looks yellow.
it is yellow. It's not going to taste like bananas.
It could taste.
Definitely not gonna take like bananas. I'm interested.
He's not giving you any hints. You need to taste it.
I don't know why you think for some reason I'm going to tell you what it tastes like before you taste it and ruin the influence that you can have. Because I'm well known for being able to hide my emotions, bury them deep down inside.
Well, this is good.
You get the rum, Jamaican rum
We
flavor.
do.
I don't get a lot of gin,
No, I don't get any gin.
but you get, again with the Jamaican rum, coming right out, dropping in your face.
I don't get much of the Falernum. Maybe a little bit.
A little bit of the finish, but it's got some juiciness in there. You don't taste a lot of orange juice, but without the orange
Oh,
juice,
shit,
it would
I
be
forgot
super
passion
boozy.
fruit. Oh no, I put it in.
Yeah, I watched you put it in,
That's right.
but it's only
I don't
half
know.
ounce.
Yeah, but it's just a lot of shit here.
There's a lot going on in
It's
that
good.
drink, and somehow it manages to have a taste that's unique. It doesn't taste like
It's got
any
a
other-
little bit of sour,
Yeah, it's
followed
not,
by like sweet. No,
it's not super lemon.
It's
like
not the fog cutter.
it's not like a fog cutter. Can see his face.
You.
Yeah, it's normal.
No
Yeah.
one else,
You go through it
no
all.
one knows. No one else knows.
Mm.
No one at work knows that.
Oh, it's good. Don't pass it to them.
Let's see if it comes back.
That's
empty
not
or not.
nice.
Hmm?
That's not nice.
Oh, we have more.
Oh,
That drink makes a lot.
it's not. It's not too sour, but it's got whatever it is. The flavor is that of the tiki.
It comes like you get sour at the back, like
You get sour at the back. It's kind of funky.
That's the Jamaican rum
Yeah,
playing through.
it's good though.
I do. Oh, it's good. But
Yeah.
you get the funk.
Because you get like a little bit sweet. You kind of get like that funk, which has got to be like from the
And the
Falernum,
sour aftertaste.
and plus like the passion fruit syrup.
All of the stuff playing. That
Yeah,
it has good balance considering the sheer amount of
that's
things.
good.
I like that.
But since they're all ones and halves, it makes it easy so you don't have to worry about how they get to the flavor.
It's good.
You can get it.
But it is.
It's good.
It's good.
The producer says it's good.
It's good. No, your wife
It's
said
good.
it was good. But it is good.
Everybody says it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
You get a little different flavor each time. Like that time I felt like a little bit more passion fruit.
It's definitely like you can tell it's strong, but it doesn't. It's not like
It'll knock you down.
it doesn't drink
Balance.
strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's well balanced, but you can just tell. Like
You kind of because you get that funkiness.
Yeah.
Like, that's just kind of a tiki thing.
Yeah, it's not burny, but it's strong enough.
Yeah.
It cuts through, so you know you're going to be in trouble. You drink too many of those.
yeah,
That's the fun. So there you go. What the hell we call that thing?
that is the something something.
Bali Bali.
The Bali Bali. See,
Bali
I told you it
Bali.
was something something.
The Bali Bali is from Bali High Beach. The Bali High at the Beach, New Orleans, circa 1950.
Oh, okay.
Elvis Presley was a frequent customer. Lots of so the thing you need to know, there's lots of cool history in this book, and you can get all the tidbits. So I'll put an affiliate link for the Beach Bum Berry Remix book. So you can. So here's the thing: 20%, 10% of these recipes, you're gonna open up and be like, "Fuck no!" Like we did. Like before we picked this, we were blindly picking.
Well, there's a lot. Of,
Like one
shit
of them
in all
required
those.
apple lambic beer, right?
Yeah.
Like you can't get that. But
Wait, is that the restaurant we went to? It was his?
it was his
Yeah, it
restaurant.
was him. Yeah,
Not, yeah, there wasn't.
Latitude was him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Latitude.
Latitude.
Yeah, so he makes these drinks
they
at
had pretty
Latitude.
good drinks. I had a
Um,
monkey in mine.
And we got to take him to go too.
Yeah.
So, tons of drinks. We've made a bunch of them. By the end of the show, I'll have completed the whole book, and credits will roll.
Nice.
Not the end of this show, but like by the time I
Wow,
quit.
because I was gonna say I'd be fucked up.
That's it. Next February vacation, we have to go to New Orleans.
February vacation?
Yeah, because then it's warm down there.
Yeah, February we
Freezing
can
down
do. We
here.
either have to do February or like October.
Yeah, I'll do October.
Yeah,
And I don't have to do like the conference. I can just drink.
yeah. We just
Yeah,
we just
we'll
drink.
just go drink.
Yeah,
It'll be an adult thing,
yeah.
obviously. There's drinking involved.
Yeah, that's true. That sounds like a cool idea. Well, we could have all of our friends fly down and meet us there.
Mm. It's a good drink.
Yeah.
Like you said, there's definitely like a funk to it, but a good funk.
Yeah, not a bad.
Like a
it's just
jazzy
good
funk.
drink.
Yeah,
Yeah.
where it tastes different. It doesn't taste like.
Yeah.
It tastes like you should have a tiki candle torch right next to
Yeah.
you, and you should be sitting in a lounge chair with the beach lapping up next to you.
Yeah,
That's what it tastes like. That's right.
because we're teaching you how to drink. They were good shit.
Yeah. Today we're gonna make a cocktail.
It's got a lot of shit in it. Can you do that in a lead-in?
I can just be shit word. Ah! Shit.